Hello everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you how I got these smooth, shiny curls using Curlformers.
Baby, come closer. Yeah.
If you're interested in this look, just keep on watching. For this style, I used the extra long and wide Curlformers that I purchased at Sally Beauty. The kit comes with 2 hooks, and the hooks are what you'll use to put the rollers in your hair. To begin, I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. I have no product in my hair at this point. The first product I'll be using is the Kinky Curly Not Today leave-in conditioner, which is truly the GOAT. Then I'm spraying my hair with water because you want your hair to be pretty damp before you apply the rollers. And to give my curls some hold, I'll be using the Jane Carter Solution Wrap and Roll. Before you install the roller, you want your hair to be smooth as possible, so I'm just using my Denman brush to smooth my curls really quickly. Oh my god, okay. Nope. So as you can see, that was a fail. I probably could have used a refresher on the instructions, but anyway, what I did differently here is that I pinched open the mouth of the Curlformer, and that allowed my hair to slide through. I did it that time, alright. To prevent my hair from drying out, I put a plastic cap over the sections I wasn't working with. I'm pretty sure I got this plastic cap idea from Chizzy Duru. Shout out to her. So here I'm just showing a real-time process of me putting a Curlformer in my head. I've done another Curlformer set since I filmed this video, and the last time I did it, it took me about 1.5 hours to complete my whole head. So here I'm placing the Curlformer hook under my hair, sliding the Curlformer up the hook, pinching the mouth of the Curlformer open, and pulling my hair through using the hook. And then to smooth out any random bends, you can just run your finger along the Curlformer. Alright, I'm back. So I'm about to show you how I do the last couple of Curlformers on the top of my hair and then come back in the morning and show you the final results. Just a few things I want to know. If you see a few shorter rollers in my hair, like this one in the back, I actually had to go into my shorter Curlformer set and put some of the shorter Curlformers in the back to have room for the Curlformers at the top. Around my parting, I tried to make sure that I got the Curlformers closer to the root so that my roots won't be puffy near my part and I can look neat and sleek. Really quickly, I just like to add that 40 Curlformers come in one styling kit. And here's one last close-up of the install process. Here I'm sectioning this little chunk of hair into 3 smaller pieces.
Baby, come close. Too messed up in drama to go outside. Too messed up in drama to free my mind. Jealous people around me, I need to change my life. I just turn colder every time I try.
I re-moisturize the section, apply my products, twisted my hair at the root, place a Curlformers hook underneath the section of hair, pinched open the mouth of the Curlformer, and pulled my hair through. Alright, so my whole head is done now. As you can see, most of the Curlformers on this side of my head are pink, and most of these are orange because I've placed them so that they will curl away from my face. You can kind of see that here with the way this curl is spiraling. It's gonna go back that way, and on this side this curl is gonna go back this way. Kind of put a few different rollers, different color rollers on each side, just for a little variety. So I know I have well over 40 rollers in my head right now. This will be interesting to sleep on. So here I'm just showing you the takedown process. You just pinch the mouth of the Curlformer open and slide it right off your hair. As you can see, I installed the Curlformers at the front of my head pretty close to the root, which gave my edges a nice sleek appearance, but it can be a little uncomfortable If you install these too close to the root and it ever feels like it's tugging too much of your edges, just go ahead and loosen up the roots a little bit. I promise you, keeping your edges is more important than having laid edges for a hairstyle. So this is how my hair was looking after I had taken all the rollers out. At this point, I had not added any other products to my hair.
Libre, libre comme l'air. Ce soir on turn up toute la night. Le son me guide, je me laisse faire. Je me laisse faire.
Alright, so I'm back 6 to 7 hours later to show you how my hair has held up. I flipped my part over from a middle part to a side part because I just didn't like how that middle part was looking. So I just flipped some of the curls from this side over, and I did put a little bobby pin right here. A straight pin probably would have worked better, been a little bit more undetectable, but bobby pin is fine. To separate, I just took a little bit of this argan oil serum, rubbed it in my hands, not a lot at all, and just went through and split the curl in two. I'm going to show you what I did using one of my curls in the back that I didn't split. So all I did was split the curl in two and then twirl it around my fingers and I just let it go. And that just made my hair look a lot fuller. I got a lot of compliments on these curls. People thought I went to the shop and got these done. I just want to reiterate that no heat was used to create these curls. If you leave these in for long enough, whether that be a few hours or overnight, your hair will completely dry in the Curlformers. No bonnet dryer or anything needed. When I used to have Curlformers in the past though, some of my hair would not come out dry in the morning, and that's because I was putting too much hair in the rollers. Well, that's all for this video. If you have any questions about Curlformers, or if you would like to see me do some styles with my hair in this Curlformer set, please let me know down in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.